Oh, where am I? What do you want with me? No, the Blue Samurais? This can't be. It's been years. Silence, you. I thought you were deprogrammed or deactivated. What? No, this can't be. You were all destroyed a long time ago and turned back into real people. Who's your leader? I must know. Well, he's right here, Zane. No, General Vex. It can't be. But you were banished. Oh, you stupid Nindroid. You thought I was banished. I was banished, but I came back. And now, I have got the scroll of forbidden Spinjitzu on my hands. But the scroll of forbidden Spinjitzu was destroyed by my database. Well, let's just say, Zane, I have the magic to bring anything back. And I also brought the samurai warriors back with me as well. You won't get away with this. The other ninja will stop you. I can stop you. Oh, please, Zane. The other ninja are two idiots to not help you at all. Besides, if those corrupted chains can hold a formling, then they can also pertain your powers. Now, samurai warriors, watch him as I go hold the staff of forbidden Spinjitzu menacingly in the background. Huh. Oh man, it's so tiring walking with this mech. Oh, what's the coordinates say? Oh, that's great. The coordinates are off. Oh well, I guess I have to find Zane. I'll have to get off the mech soon. Alright, I'll get off here. Zane, where are you? Whoa, whoa, ow, ow, ow. Ow, ow, my head. Man, we're about to really get to hire some stuff. Put some comforter seats on the bottom of this thing. I really hate this. Alrighty then, let's see what we're working here. Okay, let's see. Alright, so there's a tree. A dead Kai joke, which I'm surprised we were still using that joke now. A wolf eating a dead corpse. Wait a minute. I know who that wolf is. Akita! Akita, it's me, Lloyd! Over here! Oh my gosh, Akita girl, it's so nice to see you. How's it been? Okay, so I see that you haven't turned back into human yet. That's a bummer. Well, anyway, have you seen Zane? I don't think you remember him from like Freezio. I need direction to find him. Hey, Akita, wait up! Oh man, I'll have to leave the mech here. Akita, wait up! I'm coming! Okay, Akita, why did you leave me here? Oh, what's going on over there? They got Zane, don't they? Well, that's a lot of people, but we have to blend in. You got any plans? Okay. Great. It's that stupid wolf again. Yeah, I know. I'm starting to get really sick of that wolf. So, can you just kill it then? Get over with it? Yeah, you're right. I'm gonna go kill it. Hey, get over here, stupid wolf. I'm gonna murder you. Hey, when you're done, can you bring its fur back? I want to make a coat. Yeah, I'll be back. Don't worry. Alright, you stupid wolf. I guess it's time to die. Stupid wolf. Wait, what are you doing? What are you doing? Ah! Oh my god, get off me! No, please don't give me your disease. Oh man, that wolf is brutal. Excellent, Nikita, but question, what happened to the guy you beat up? Oh man, I really don't want to be a blue samurai anymore. Alright, I'll leave you the tower, you stay here. Here. I'll need you when I call a single, you jump out and attack the samurai warriors. If any luck, I can get Zane out there quickly before General Vest is back. Or whatever happens. Alright, go Ninja go. I'm gonna put these on in disguise. Alright? Get ready, Akita. We have a big fight ahead of us. Man, what is taking my brother so long to get back? Oh, there he is. He's coming back right now. Oh, hey guys, how's it going? I'm back. Yeah, hey, how's it going? Did you manage to get that wolf? No. She got away, or it got away. Oh, dang. I know that he up there wanted to make a sweater out of her. Man, that sucks. Yeah. That's sickening, but yeah, good for him. Anyway, I need that prisoner over there. Why? You have any clearance from our general? Yes, I forgot to mention that General Vex wanted me to take that prisoner, somewhere far away from here. Why would General Vex want to take you somewhere far away from here? Him far away from here anyway? Like, what does he need? Well, it's orders. If you have a problem, bring up with him. Well, we would do that, but the thing is, General Vex told us and told you that we need to keep him here for the ritual. Wait, what ritual again? Well, you see, Green Ninja, the thing is, we need him as a ritual. And you thought we didn't know who you were. You think we're not dumb? We know everything. Lloyd, you have to run now. Go, before it's too late. No, Zane, I'm not leaving without you. It's only three of you guys. What's the chance I'm gonna lose anyway? Well. Isn't it the Green Ninja himself? We meet again. General Vex, we meet again. What do you want with Zane? Well, Lloyd, you see, I need him to make the staff powerful again. What do you mean, you need him to make that staff powerful again? Well, you see, this staff has no power at all. If I use this in a fight, I'll lose easily. But Zane here has the ice power that can make this staff powerful again. Turn his power into corrupted power. With the corrupted power, I can take over many dimensions and portals, whatever crap you want to talk about. No, Vex, I can't let you do that. Give me Zane now. And no one has to get hurt here. Well, let me think about it, Zane. Lloyd, no! Blizzard Warriors, attack! Akita, attack! Not this time, you stupid wolf. Akita! Well. Looks like you underestimated me, Lloyd. We are powerful. There's nothing to do. Once I get Zane power and this corrupted staff, I'll be the most powerful being ever in the world. And there's nothing you can do. Oh yeah? So take this. Wait, who said that? Huh? Wait, Freddy? Well, I do prefer Saul Goodman, and yes, Lloyd, it's me. Huh. Looks like he can't stand Oni power. Wait a minute, that's Oni elemental power? Oh no, those ones are dangerous. And I'm also kind of a sorcerer too. So Zane, I'll get those chains off you immediately. Haha, General Vex, it's over now. Get over here. What the? What's happening to Zane? Oh, yeah, Freddy, if you watched season 11, you would know. Technically, he's turning into a Forbidden Spinjitzu Master right now. The scroll has power that can turn all of us into Forbidden Spinjitzu. Wait, what the heck is Forbidden Spinjitzu? Yeah, don't worry. Once we get you back to the monastery, I'll make you watch season 11. Oh, okay. Wait, anyway, Freddy, how'd you get here in the first place? Well, I used my Oni magic to get here. It has enough that I can teleport here and back. So, yeah, I'm gonna be gone now. Alright, bye. Man, that is so cool. Alright, Zane, we gotta go now. Take Akita with you, and bring that scroll with you quick before General Vets get up. Alright, Lloyd, I'm with you. Well, General Vex, you thought you had the power, but all to your head. Alright, let's go. No! You fools! Go after them now! Are you kidding? They have Oni power on their side. I'm not gonna fight them. Right-hand man! Go after them right now! No, man, I'm not doing that. I don't swing that way. Alright, so everyone's here, right? I'm here, Lloyd. The scroll forbidden spinjitzu in my hands. Alright, so Akita's there, so we're all ready to go. Alright, Zane, once we get back to Ninjago, the first stop we're gonna make is just get the scroll to Kolar Kai. They will bring it to Borg, and he'll secure it safely. And I gotta have a big word with Freddy before we watch those season 11 episodes. Alright, let's go.